A very good morning to all the students of class 3rd. Dear student, today we will study the 4th chapter of social science named as the States of India. Dear student, we will study this chapter from our book, Our Land, Our World. So, dear student, let's begin with the chapter 4. Very first, you should know what are the learning objectives of this chapter. So, dear student, in this chapter, you will learn about the states of India. As the chapter's title itself is describing its learning objective. So, let's begin with the chapter. Dear student, here I am sharing my screen with you. As you all know, India is a very large country. It is the 7th large country in the world. So, dear student, this is very important that you should know which is the 7th largest country in the world. So, the answer is India is the 7th largest country in the world. From the west to east, it is 2,933 kilometers long. West to east कितना है? कितना लंबा है? 2,933 kilometers. Again, this is very important. From the north to south, it is 3,214 kilometers. So, again I am highlighting it. So, in this paragraph, you should learn 3 things. That is, which is the 7th largest country in the world? So, the answer is India is the 7th largest country in the world. What is the length of west to east in India? So, west to east, it is 2,933 kilometers long. What is the length of north to south? The length is 3,214 kilometers long. So, this is all about the beginning. So, I am removing it. Let's move ahead. We have a central government to look after the major problem of all the people of the country. So, dear student, this is very important question. Which government look after the major problem of all the people of the country? So, dear student, I am highlighting it. And the answer is central government to look after the major problems of all the people of the country. This is very important for this paragraph. We have state governments to look after other problem of the people of their territories. So this is again very important and I am highlighting it. Which government to look after other problems of the people of their territories? अपनी territories में कौन आपकी problems की रक्षा करता है या उसे देखता है? State government. So, I am highlighting it. So, what is important about this paragraph is the central government to look after the major problems of all the people of the country. And the question is, which government look after the major problem of all the people of the country? The answer is central government to look after the major problems of all the people of the country. The second important question for this paragraph is, which government to look after other problems of the people of their territories. So the answer is state governments to look after other problems of the people of their territories. So this is all about for this paragraph. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट क्या होती है बच्चों? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट वो होती है जो पूरे देश की रक्षा के लिए होती है, पूरे देश की प्रॉब्लम्स को देखती है। और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट क्या होती है? जहां आप रहते हैं उस स्टेट की जो गवर्नमेंट होती है वो आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स को चेक करती है। सो लेट्स मूव अहेड। There are some parts of our country which do not have state governments. कुछ parts ऐसे हैं जिनके state governments नहीं हैं. They are directly under the full control of central government. जिसका क्या होता है? जिसकी सारी problems को totally central government देखती है. तो these parts are called union territories. So this is very important. What is union territories? Union territories क्या होती हैं? So union territories क्या होती हैं? जिसमें स्टेट का सारा कंट्रोल सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के पास होता है। There are some part of country which do not have state government, जिसमें state government नहीं होती और जो डायरेक्टली किसके अंडर में होती है? जिसकी डायरेक्टली अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, जिसका सारा कंट्रोल सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर होता है, तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? यूनियन टेरिटरीज. So dear student, this is very important. There are 28 state and 9 union territories in India. How many states are in India? There are 28 states in the India. How many union territories are in India? There are 9 union territories in India. So what is important in this paragraph? Number 1, what is union territories? Number 2, how many states are in India? And number 3, how many union territories are in India? So the answer is there are some parts of our country which do not have state government. They are directly under the full control of central government. These are called union territories. There are 28 states in India and 9 union territories in India. So this is all about for this paragraph. Now let's move ahead. So dear student, Delhi is the capital of India. Dear student, as I am highlighting it, and again this is very important question. With write the name of capital of India. India की capital क्या है? Delhi is the capital of India. What is the capital of India? Delhi is the capital of India. The president, the prime minister and the other central minister live in Delhi. The president, the prime minister and other central minister live in Delhi, and Delhi is the capital of India. These are the administrator of the central government. Who are the administrator of central government? These are the president, the prime minister and other central ministers. These are the administrators of central government. That means जो central government है उसे कौन चलाता है? President, prime minister और उनके मंत्री. So what is important of this paragraph? The capital city and the administrators of central government. So what is the capital city of India? Delhi is the capital city of India. Who are the administrators of central government? The president, the prime minister, and other central ministers are the administrators of the central government. Let's move ahead. बच्चों आज हम एक एक पैराग्राफ लेके इस चैप्टर को समझेंगे जिससे कि आपको ये चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. ओके, सो ये स्टूडेंट, एवरी स्टेट हैज इट्स ओन कैपिटल. तो बच्चों जो हमारे 28 स्टेट्स हैं उन सबकी अपनी अपनी एक कैपिटल सिटी है और हमारी कंट्री इंडिया की सिर्फ एक कैपिटल सिटी है, दैट इज दिल्ली. एंड जो 28 स्टेट्स हैं उनकी अपनी अपनी एक कैपिटल सिटी है. सो लेट्स डिस्कस इट. द गवर्नर, द चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड द अदर मिनिस्टर लिव इन इट्स कैपिटल. कौन कौन रहता है? हु लिव्स इन द स्टेट कैपिटल्स? द गवर्नर, राज्यपाल, द चीफ मिनिस्टर, मुख्यमंत्री, और उनके अपने मिनिस्टर. कहाँ रहते हैं? कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ स्टेट्स में रहते हैं. These are the administrators of the state government. Again, this is very important question. Who are the administrators of the state? States को, state government को कौन चलाता है? कौन चलाता है? The governor, the chief minister and their ministers, as I am highlighting it. So what is important in this paragraph? Number 1, who live in the capital city of the state? So the answer is the governor, the chief minister and other minister of the capital. Number 2, who are the administrators of the state government? कौन चलाता है state government को? Governor, chief minister and their ministers. So these two questions are important for this paragraph. Let's move ahead. Because of landforms and climates, there are differences in the vegetations, food habits, dresses, festivals and occupations of the people. सभी जगह सारे स्टेट्स के अपने अपने क्लाइमेट है, अपने अपने फेवरेट फूड है, अपनी अपनी ड्रेसेस हैं फेमस, अपने अपने फेस्टिवल्स हैं. सो वी स्पीक डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस बट स्टिल वी हैव मच इन कॉमन. वी आर united as one nation. We have one national flag named as, क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों national flag को? तिरंगा. And one national anthem. क्या है बच्चों national anthem हमारी कंट्री का? जन गण मन. We all are Indians. तो हम क्या हैं? Indians हैं. The population of India is approximately 137 crores in the year 2019. Dear student, this is important and I am highlighting it. What is the population of India in the year 2019? So I am highlighting it. The population of India is approximately 137 crores in 2019. क्या population है 2019 में इंडिया की? 137 crores. So this is important for this paragraph, which you should remember all the time. So this is the political map of states and their union territories, dear student, which you should remember. डियर स्टूडेंट, इस मैप को याद करने के लिए आपको मैं एक इजी मेथड बता सकती हूँ, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ बुक यू शुड लर्न दिस मैप. सो आप कैसे लर्न करेंगे इसे? सबसे पहले आप नॉर्थ में, जो स्टेट्स नॉर्थ में पड़ते हैं, ऊपर की ओर हैं, अपवर्ड्स हैं, उन्हें लोकेट करना सीखेंगे. सो दिस इज द प्रैक्टिस वर्क फॉर यू ऑल. नॉर्थ में, एज आई एम हाईलाइटिंग इट, जम्मू कश्मीर है, लद्दाख है, हिमाचल प्रदेश है, ये सारे स्टेट्स को एंड टेरिटरीज को लोकेट करना सीखेंगे. दूसरे दिन आप क्या सीखेंगे? साउथ का सीखेंगे. और नेक्स्ट डे आप ऐसे ही ईस्ट और वेस्ट का सीखेंगे. सो देयर आर 28 स्टेट्स in India. Let's discuss it. Number 1, Andhra Pradesh. Number 2, Arunachal Pradesh. Number 3, Assam. Number 4, Bihar. Number 6, Goa. Number 7, Gujarat. Number 8, Haryana. Number 9, Himachal Pradesh. And number 10, Jharkhand. So, same as there are 28 states and 9 union territories, as you can see in my screen. So, dear student, let's discuss their capitals and let's discuss their capital city. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? The capital city of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Dear student, as you can see in my screen, the area, languages, rivers and towns, which we'll discuss in our next class, or you will study these things in your senior classes. तो अभी के लिए आपको इसकी कैपिटल सिटीज लर्न करनी है. सो द कैपिटल ऑफ असम इज दिसपुर. व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ बिहार, डियर स्टूडेंट? द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ बिहार इज पटना, एज यू कैन सी इन माय स्क्रीन एज आई एम हाईलाइटिंग इट. व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़? The capital city of Chhattisgarh is Naya Raipur or Atal Nagar. What is the capital city of Gujarat? The capital city of Gujarat is Panji. What is the capital? I think the capital city of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Dear student, यहाँ पर कुछ error है. So the capital city of Gujarat is Gandhinagar and the capital city of Goa is Panji. So, yes student, this is just a content error. So, you have to remember it. What is the capital city of Gujarat? The capital city of Gujarat is Gandhinagar and the capital city of Goa is Panji. Let's move ahead as I am removing it. Okay. What is the capital city of Haryana? That is Chandigarh. What is the capital city of Himachal Pradesh? That is Shimla. So, dear student, आपको ऐसे 28 states की capital city याद करनी है और उनको अपनी नोटबुक में नोट करना है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट स्टेट्स एंड देयर कैपिटल सिटी. सो दीज आर बाकी जो बचे हुए स्टेट्स हैं, यहाँ पर उनकी स्टेट कैपिटल्स दी गई है. सो व्हाट इज द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ झारखंड? इट इज रांची. व्हाट इज द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ Karnataka? It is Bangalore. What is the capital city of Kerala? It's Trivandrum. What is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh? It is Bhopal. What is the capital city of Maharashtra? It's Mumbai. What is the capital city of Manipur? It's Imphal. So, dear student, these are some important capital city of the state. Let's discuss test ones. So, what is the capital city of Punjab? That is Chandigarh. What is the capital city of Rajasthan? It's in Jaipur. What is the capital city of Sikkim? It is in Gangtok. Capital city of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. What is the capital city of Telangana? This is Hyderabad. So, dear student, again I am removing it and let's move ahead. What is the capital city of Tripura? It is Agartala. What is the capital city of Uttarakhand? That is Dehradun. And the capital city of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. The capital city of West Bengal is Kolkata. So there are Union Territories, Andaman Nicobar, Chandigarh, Dadar Nagar Haveli, Damandeep, Lakshadweep, Pondicherry and New Delhi. So, dear student, आप जिस स्टेट में रहते हैं आपको वहां की कैपिटल, वहां की लैंग्वेज, ये सारी चीजें आपको आनी चाहिए. So, this is all about the chapter 4. We will study our next class in our next lecture. Thank you.